Good evening, YouTube modeling community. This is Martin from Martin's Model Shop. I'm bringing you update number 1 on the Lightning build-off for Distinctive Auto. And this is where I am so far on it. This is the body. It's painted yellow with acrylic paint and a pale cream. The interior is done in black and cream. And I detailed the headlights, the turning signals on the headlights. So that's the body. I'll get that out of the way. And this is the bed. Did a two-tone. In the back. That's pinstripe and tape on the stripes. Regular automotive pinstripe and tape. And this is the engine. It's a resin print Coyote 5.0, came on the Mustang. And front bumper. It's painted cream to match the bottom. Gotta do one other thing. Hang on 1 second. I forgot the back bumper. What the heck is it? There it is. The back bumper was tubular. And I had some styrene that I laid on it and glued it to it and made it a solid bumper. But you can see it was 2 tubes. I didn't care for the tubes. So I did that and did some body work on it and painted that. And then this is the chassis so far. I made my own brake rotors and calipers. I don't know if you can see them. For the front and the rear. I resin printed them. These are 3D printed. These are 3D printed wheels. The tires are from the kit. And the motor's gonna sit in there pretty good. It's gonna look pretty good. But it's coming along. Still got a little bit more to go to get to where I'm happy with it, but it's coming. So I guess that's about it for tonight. So if you like where it stands and like the way it looks, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do. So this is Martin from Martin's Model Shop, signing out for tonight. So everybody have a great week and God bless.